Good morning, folks. Yet another counseling session at Auxilium Convent School, which is located in Barasat. And this is the school building, as you can see. So let's hope for another vivid interaction with the kids out here in this school.
So children, it's a great opportunity for you today to have him among us. You will get the whole day with him. Listen carefully to whatever he says and be free to ask all your queries.
Which class is ma'am a class teacher of? You guys are indeed lucky. Ask me why. First question. আজকে সকালের প্রথম কোয়েশ্চেন, you guys are indeed lucky to have ma'am as your class teacher. You know why? Because in this entire introduction she has said one thing: feel free to ask anything special. Yes.
I'm all I have done and I learned love because I got curious. I love to learn. I ask that question.
So we might have a next APJ Abdul Kalam from your school. So lovely, if he found a nice kid in it, he's inquisitive. He will love to ask questions. Marks are important because your class 10 is the immediate priority now. You have to score well, at least decently, 75 plus. And invest time in blogging and building yourself also. Because by the time you reach there to do that, there will be entire population of India who has done that.
Hi, my name is Orono and I really thank Sir Pratik and Ms. Shruti for conducting this wonderful workshop on career counseling. Not only I learned about new jobs, but I also got much motivation and much interest into various fields which were unknown to me earlier, and I learned a lot during this entire course of the workshop. I thank both of them for being so good at connecting with the audience and for inspiring me in several ways. Thank you.
It is Anurakta here, and I think this workshop has helped me a lot in debating about the facts what future plans can be achieved and what future goals can be pursued after. I really thank Pratik sir and Shruti ma'am for conducting this. It has broken a lot of stereotypes that
First of all, I will thank Pratik sir and Shruti ma'am for conducting the seminar. It inspired me a lot. I get to know about many new jobs. My future goals. I planned my future goals